this news. Biba Obibia Akwaba. Hadia later Zion Hot East Qua Enemy Bremo. Enuti so we can subscribe ya. Omodia say over subscribe to the channel. Jobian say over click the subscribe button. Now barely notification. We have a video for phobia be uploaded when the first person I will sub the can video. I feel we are now like video. Give us a thumbs up. Now fee. Shema Ato Forson when you be here na wo hu ensema enkoso ewo Ghana be mo hanom afi ye hwe eye ensema ababeto ye konso yiti eye sa report ya ababeto ya yiti sansi ya konso yiti
na bache ma hai
captain mejuzo
me na bibia boko de
nyame adaro ma nyame de no so ache I na ya na se on someone no was
me time am po am frɛ na ye be bonko why says unu anya no anamba na bibia be fine why bibia be fine bibia be fine na campaign e kwasai
nyame adaro ma so far the campaign team drew 253 constituencies.
Sunday,
be 276 now. In fact, there are some constituencies that are more than 2 times. But at least every constituency, the campaign drew a year. Mahamadu Bawumia, the next president. He is waging one of the most effective campaign ever, and he's done so well. Neho aduha ajije afiafi mu constituency nyamo. Nano da eyenwe yana uwie Asante region. Nana Bediatuo era NAPO wo Greater Accra era NAPO ebeko central na me yadumo tena na asare Asante region be Asante region there. Afi se no mbesi ato aba no. Ebo kufu. Ebe shaking for. It will shock many. Abana on beto. Ama MPP afi no. Ebe shocking in dodo na. Enti campaign there. E 20 year nya cheswa. Memma party ni bia enwen se yewie dabi. Nkunimdie ne there no kwasem ni e wo side. Also, of course, was soon. Yen Twabano, December 7th. A young King Kai. Now, you be declared Sama, His Excellency Dr. Alhaji Mahamadu Bawumia.
Okay.
The campaign won some day.
If you actually call me for a bebo campaign home come up and watch near my hodwa, and she say Gua Quemua, Ebema Mutimi Huri Jina Braneno Amaye. Now, and now, what's here when you are Sammy Gyamfi press conference? No.
Me tete kakran ne Madaruma mo online stories even been met me ashesha na enra nema bienu anamiensa ma mention here the campo original chairman of War Bono region Abronye edin. Now let me put this statement on record. Na me share so say akwakoye wo de migidi say obema no akwetire Abronye nyina baabia da never enka say afi ombekunkum nipa never. You see one say the statement is big and is huge. A criminal statement. This will be because mekunkum nipa o adansia na odi akwakoma a police. And I can tell you all the 12 constituencies in Bono region, my regional chairman, Abronye Nenam. Nowhere, and I repeat, nowhere, all the 12 constituencies. And Banda, now National Communications Officer, NDC Airport, Menena Kobo. All the 12 constituencies, Menena China. The BN, you want to make a Kasemumana. Impokra making any reference to even violence and it say it is a lady. At all times, a yenema pa, a bina ye our Bono region, ene yenka ye humom na yensan winni massively e wo Bono region asem noka etimi se ni dikan wanka no kwasem na sa asem no so ye ka enti no ombobo no ho se Abronye will take him on because what they say me bana se ne captain me kasa wo akokan baby so obukunkum nipa. It's a serious statement.
Oh sure.
It's a very, very serious statement. On can't doubt baby or what dance be will be on famra. On can't doubt baby. Near Tosum, you know, say yang MPP, ye be we are abemu na a year criminal officer commanding Kennedy Agyapong or war a year Northern Command, Central Command.
So a Brigadier General.
Brigadier General. And Oboga Boya Mesa no Odin Hua Montiase na unim Captain no Kwasim me kan wo fidi so me nimisa wo namfofo ni omonum bi no betia sa aka chom me say NDC betin kugu no mudin kugu no ebe hye omo adwi nyina ne say abawe die ATS intine die edu yeso ena omo nya campaign eti omo do omo nya tsade no so na ebedi omo hwamo eti no saade no so mahu so mahu because asema won ka no enyina so bia nim agisa uye on serious political party partner betimi aka say obi be wia wo through the ballot because abana yeto no so what training wo na musifo ye no mu kina ho ye beto abano over 40,000 polling stations ye tu ya ye kenkan wo ha e ho ansanjofo gina obi agina ho civil society go for gina ho obi a wo ye kenkan we kura sa de hu sunsanso no kwa afemfam dan ho ansana ye tebri e de akọ district ene kura de presidential no kura no matese je mensa kura ka se ye be quality presidential no kura origin ansana ya peja e de balance anya sa
sana wakano
okay it's a kura de be bibia origin wonti no at all times all the electoral you are a major stakeholder and you play an active role. So for somebody to even allege class opinion, not just anybody, but a whole brigadier general, say a ballot stuffing. Now ya jiji pink sheet, you know, what did you a duplication? You did be a say because you pink sheet in there. Obi wobi. And you know Kwame
and another wouldn't so say yet me reggae elections.
And I make us a reggae mum party, yeah, system now, yeah, pretty animal party. So be by reggae, be a maybe a woony panel, be on maybe a Washington be to a police station. That is why now the thing is that elections are won at the polling station.
But sir, what share after the 2012 general elections, Nema. Yeah, MPP4, yeah, they call quarter, now one over voting, a part of the Reagan process. Number two, over voting in no actually no, a baby to muse, baby or what, any part 200 and a tuaba, over voting number into your coca, no, of any part 310. Oh, these are some of the reasons why we went to court in 2012.
Okay. It is a agent jina ho ne kanyaba na ye o ye nyo bia beto bia ya tadi ya bibia wo hese ya stamp ye ya de no ye sorting so a wo hwe mi hu se stamp bo akire o e bibia na o agent jina ho nim nipa dodo e ba ya o moteke ye electoral commission so nim nipa dodo e ba ho teke ya e ho na also raise issues of overvoting
so that
is why we have agents.
Oh, okay, so that's why I said 2012 Gyamfi agent, Papa, because we could not raise those issues.
Oh, at that point, there were some of our people. Don't forget that we had the police as a finger of God. Now, they are done in maybe any. In fact, 2012, it be any to a lot of things. That is why after 2012, we said that, look, see your coalition, your agent, we are a bit taking them serious.
So Reagan is real, but you have to prepare against that.
That is what I'm trying to say. It's a won't work. You should be regarded. That means you as a party, you are not ready for the elections. You're not ready for that. In fact, who allege BB, I will say ballot stuffing. Now, Ode, a whole brigadier general. Now, also I say, you bet you pink sheet, look at the Belgian Kwabena Agyapong, say, pink sheet duplication. You be my all agent. And yeah, MPP wants in agent about way, and then NDC wants in agent. It will be an answer. Can be. You will consider the copy crowd also by law, also the copy a book. A police station corner. It is because you'll be at the Attorney Azania, or better terms as a figure. I hear a cool woman at Quaver. It is some now. Okay, because a business as a political party at this time raising this issue. You are not serious for elections now. Seriously. After just about 17 days to the elections. Ask them whether they have prepared their polling station agent well. I don't get it. Rather, no, and we have said it. Omo meeting at Mauli Hotel, 11th November. Obuasi Municipality. Omurukuti tax. A year small scale miners are be associated to NDC. See a bemo mutuo near Sekai. Now on the day, Oma cause 6 year panic in Asante region. Allah, they should try. About Mrabe Jumo. Captain Mrabe Juma. Maybe they should try. So what? Obama be ascendo. Obama nibi. Say, Wono Yamawo, a tour, or more mudi tours who go ambulance. Air cocoon. Any some more motivating for as a private security. Any some.
Oh, it's in that chance and Crawford the two go ambulance him every day.
We have your intelligence and we have reported it. Fortunately, I made the BBA catch police. Police
oh, na ambulance na. SSF fire and call hospital no Crawford the two on a goom.
Oh, yeah, ambulance at the buy ambulance are your private ambulances.
Okay.
Private ambulances or no.
I'm not
the ones who said I didn't say ambulance, but yeah, they carry a tour near there. They send a who have a visual ambulance as an animal born in the
wow.
I'm on
my police in Chuamontam.
They see we have reported all. That's only a car of Boakye and as a video young who before Boakye Basso of the Lukunkum Nipa on base as a boy, he got to Uremon.
Wow.
We said it. And these things we said it.
And Ato Forson and
about way, you better free, you better fair, a better transparent. Obia hunti, Obia hunka. When an abrewa, oh, you better naba, may walk fast for better maba. Obia better naba. Ding, come at your becking kind abano, Obia and Timinia, Bobia, Obia to me from ranching in some Obia to me your focal. About way, you better say I did be a Ghana, I am very peaceful, you better trouble. MPP will win these elections. Mahamadu Bawumia will be the next president. And we are going to have clear majority. And this is for Paumunsu, Paumusre, Paumushiri, Paumunkotua. MPP will win these elections. And we are going to win with a clear majority. And it's going to be one touch.
Oh, say, yeah, na yen ko baby, yeah, oh, higher.
And I may say, me bra penny, Obia, me penasem bra penny, Nathan Kushibuache, Sreno is somebody, me, a Sreno, oh, ma, and this is we, and Dano, and ma, and Munyams from Kwa, when ya, over a long period. Service and your commissary.
Why they go watch a day?
Sam Ranchia or New Dunkomo, Pituomo, or the Omobeye Party Security Task Force on Didi and we are away. Rather so.
And the natural, sir, vigilanteism ye kan ho asem mo ankasa party si mienu nyina no mo ye madwen sem bejai Sammy Gyamfi si brigade
we don't have any group for the Nancy Obakaya
mpacho me ba o ma me wie yanka bet me question na say Sammy Gyamfi accuse mo say matototu amankrofo and a brigadier general Michael Poku a recruiting crofo say I was so amayate ase say na wo mo nso etotuo egu private ambulances in e de etuo ne ade mankrofo and na Afenyo Kofi Boakye so a recruiting and crofo
Captain Mantua say was one recruiting crofo
me say enra Sammy Gyamfi be ya allegation say brigadier general Mike Opoku GOC ono o recruiting crofo o use military facility na a training womo ena omo akode na ye interrogate if ye nra na oka sa asem na eno ho na ye dinya wa wie enwumre ya ye bon koma woso ama yate ase se na Kofi Boakye so training crofo ena feso won akroya so de etuo so gu ambulance
oh labi na sa ayi bra Kofi Boakye de ono de so amana ye known he's part of them he is handling our more security committee or something and he's been talking and ono then they say clear but then a serving military officer a senior person now it's a wunni adanse bia I mean many of Kofi Boakye it is known I mean he's with Yura Mahama odina chita onenam indeed he is handling that but what we are trying to say is that recruitment are all year and then the intention is for them to cause any fear and panic. Mr. No, he is somebody a lot of people have great respect for. The more elections 20 for so many years. The love and respect some of us, all man, war, very, very good and personal relationship. And this phone concern. I know it is known. But Niau Nimo will be a number because will be doing. But it is known. There are platforms in our Mohammed. It is known. And it is known that he is.
But sir, obetime ejina na china ebia no mbie na no nka se waye recruitment na
oh it is known within the party structures that is it say permanent na or my tax force human NDC
what picking intel
oh
okay so
ana medical ka we here obi entimi nhwe e beto abandin Ghana e be huru e be jutin ebe wi ebe bobo aba no fine bia NDC for beto mo ho ase ebe wi ebe koyenim o me ko so minority e raba o me be president Ghana will not ban bia be yedin o beto mo ho ase kra problem bia isi bia nkana go bia beto na bebe
Nana minim sa woda yo minim sa woda ye buffer stock butcher stella minim sa woda
no krepa be butcher man
sa 22,000 bucks e mu bia se me mete e wo na ye buffer stock pe minim sa maso
yen tro na de bia every what is every aka say ye Johnny be man kra say what is say the Johnny man kra say that the Minister of Education about we are no yesterday was on front page oh I mean that kind of this sensational politics yeah there na who Assembly no ayen tro kese pa bibia no one metesa not even a single child no be dey on wholesome aduane bia not even a single child enya no kweda
na pacho mo be investigate because Food and Drugs Authority say why instructed company no say because of one or two things we say for year unlawful repackaging of some of their products. A year company now imported a particular brand of rice now buy would that start something? Would that actually intuit?
No, quite not. I'm expecting say no nipa no this had in the buy and cause some report here some police. But this is a serious matter. But that is what I'm saying. It is not true. It is never true. Election true. The only way, one of the ways to attack the integrity, how broad-based free SHS, you have 5.7 million. The only way, and they say, Benessa, young can someone, and Munyam Shini, and somewhere Buguni Pamufin. And one. That is just was just an agenda.
All right.
But me so shut up and I was happy. Then I campaign. I was happy how the Ministry of Education are responded to it. And one front page now, because you did excellently well. And I'm making every day for them from the Busomo. But behind one, there's absolutely nothing. Behind was FDA. IBB so there be a who the command channel. Now I know credit.
Mamena Asanabi.
Captain Yamin Council.
On council, me point Bekasa.
Okay.
But I say Nanabi a national organizer. Emma the new patriotic party. Ivan, back to you.
Captain, now me near my just say we become, but I think that
for Mike and
I think that Ghana your problem. Around your casa, I don't know how old he is, but I know say relatively he's young. We have a Ghana Namia.
But when Nanabi.
Oh, Minshan in person that. Me who know I was our casa radio, so but I've never met him in person. And Sautie and Sama or Kana. You might wish to say, oh yeah, Obi are part of the old politicians. I said we might contribute to where we are today. But as a young man, no, you free say certain new narrative bet me pay up. Now politics na yeah serious politics. Now young kokanda old cheap way of doing politics. It's unfortunate because some now only the radio so are all kind, you know, and you share contradiction or contradicting who throughout. So you ask yourself, so where are we going as a country? One, also Sammy Gyamfi a press conference. I legit your friend saying a brigadier. I can't say I'm sure say brigadier no one. Until so free Sammy Gyamfi can't say my father when I inquire. He has every right to respond to the issue. Again, Sammy Gyamfi alleged can't say. And somehow also you ended up saying in allegations upon allegations upon allegations. So it's a wokasa man from to Sammy Gyamfi Ntungu. Now they are all kanumum. Sekofi Boakye a recruit to tax. That is the word he used. A trainee for Kumase to cause violence. I know the day you are protecting somebody's integrity because of a woman there. Now, Kofi Boakye na one friend woman on the integrity no to try get the man's and Okofie. Only the integrity to protect. I think when you are speaking, we need to be very smart. We need to speak as an intelligent people because you see there are a number of people out there listening to us. Oh no, me boomfu yet. But you see, I'm so disappointed, sir. Politics, the young people in it, you know, I'm hoping that we need to have an honest conversation. I bet me we need to have honest conversation because you see, in some now all is seeking to prove a point. Says Sabi he's speaking to fools like gullible individuals. They are not discerning, but we are very discerning. For instance, Abronye sama walking, Abronye tena radio, so the video has been trending. Minimum be as Sammy Gyamfi cast all but there is a video of your first Abronye. Or say you bought NPP Niwo Wenchia. You bought NDC for 10. Just the video is so nasty. And I was even expecting the police for react. So it's not as if say Onyan cancer asem. But the most important part has to do with this buffer stock issue. Also, are a board member of buffer stock. Captain. Abronye Timinya Kukudro Kachira say, oh, nothing. She see a cheap politics. But there has been real correspondences, document upon documents. You're writing to the buffer. You're saying FDA. The company was seeking some changing date in my Emma FDA catch up say you changing date because you're manufacturer. Because me catch yourself from my background. You can say idea I aspire. Officially, it doesn't mean say asay kura won't mean so. But what it means is say the manufacturer can no longer guarantee the safety of that product. And do call you swa obi bo na nyom wara wo jejeje. That is what it means. So FDA catch you say adie no mo enye ye. And you go back to the company. I think the company no catch you say mutimi meet certain conditions and then you can preserve it for you can have it for 3 years. As to whether they went through that procedures or not, and NSA FDA extended period, for several months up to April 2024. These are the factual realities, and in the end, some people are arrested in Kumasi and a call any yomo. At the end of the day, the food ended up with buffer stock. Is it not true? Say food no, unwholesome. Is it not true? Say you distribute it to a man for. Is it not true? Say food now you can say you package. These are real issues that you should explain as a buffer stock, whatever.
Or a butcher.
And you say we need to get serious. That is what I'm saying, sir. We need to review this policy of rewarding people with appointment and as for you see, and yes, because of cheap politics in Intino, we will end up enlisting a lot of easy minds. You can't easy mind as what as here. We will end up enlisting a lot of easy minds into critical positions where you expect them to bring intelligence to bear.
In fact, I want to go for a commercial break.
Captain, I serious. Because you see, issue no about it is not about say NDC and say MPP. There are critical issues, sir. Because just imagine, say Akraketwa consuming Adriana to say the danger you're exposed to, and these are the factual realities, sir. And some no, this campaign in question, catch us say even 2021 Auditor General report. So distribute unwholesome food. So this is a company that has a culture of distributing unwholesome food. Now, as we have told him as a serious government official, respond here, it's just politics now. Obi na your propaganda and you go into elections. Food now, we know. Obi the politics for what? We need to speak to the real issues. And I think, sir, and then now Genesis 1990 no kasa. This is no 1990. Yes, this is 2024. Young people are very critical, they are very discerning. And the world can't say now. Just try to speak. And some no say they sit here, some nipa better was here. Men yen sa politics kasa because and nipa no mutio no and ya full soldiers in it. There are critical minds who are listening, and whatever that you say, no, I'm best subjected to critical scrutiny. Not young who say politics, na yes, serious politics, and yet there be an NDC and MPP politics. Now issues near brushing us because as we are okay, and for NDC home and for MPP home. You need to address the issue because there are parents home who are worried. There are parents who are home who are worried. The documents suggest say indeed such food has been distributed. There has been a number of correspondences exchanged with the FDA, the company in question, and the parent manufacturer. Nina seek to suggest say a change date. You know how do you change date? Abras adena spy. No, now food not end up in schools now. Even if a mere allegation, you see, I cause a panic among the general public. So as a government official, yeah, you speak wisdom to them to allay their fears. You don't just brush it aside and say, "Oh, my NDC for no media politics." It's every Ghanaian NDC. I think we need to get serious.
I've seen a lot of messages coming from a few MPP ministers and MPs. Who say, yeah, you've given us the opportunity. That's the first person. I'll not mention your name anyway. The second person says, Captain, today should not be a 9-day wonder. We want your show every day. This one is a former minister sitting at home. It's good you spoke to Nana B. You have the mileage now in the morning. Gradually, you are taking over the afternoon. Thank you, Honorable Former Minister. Philip, what am I boarding? Today, I know you are not biased. Sorry for always attacking you. You guys didn't know. You didn't know. It's in Amano. Maybe a phone line I'm on wafre. Me stop you be as a movie and bam show so. Me shada entertain politicians there. Cause of bam show so bam aba. Cause of bam found. Me a time na ya nenso me. Can run the show without a politician. If you want to come on the show, fine. If you don't want to come, I'm not a lazy presenter. That one I can tell you. I know I am very hardworking.
Now, Captain, we a serious political institution. Why would you avoid a platform? A platform, no, a mouthpiece is an outlet. So, however, how you think the platform hates you, it's an opportunity for you to reach out to a base. So, politically, no, strategically, and you're wise to avoid a station because you think and you're friendly. Because me hostile territory because if you're able to win one soul, it's a plus.
I remember President Kufoka said Yenya reps no more call Radio Gold. We're like,
yes,
old man.
Yes.
Are you?
Yes, that is being politically savvy.
Radio Gold says
yes. Yes.
And
me political parties
wow.
Yankwaha no wa na wutu amana because obetina how you reach out to people. As a politician, you need convert. So you use the platform.
Ivan Mameno ase.
Yeah, we. But my men can't worry about elections,
Okay.
Captain, I think that going into this year's elections, Ghanaians are and that's up to Ghanaians to decide. But the fact is that Ghanaians are really ready for this year's elections. Because I heard the experiences come over the years. People want to use the ballot to make your friend saying a statement. And we are state institution, we are EC, we are government, we are police, we are soldier, and so forth. Don't ever think so you can use your influence, your power, the gun, whatever, to bend the legitimate will of the people of this country. Because at the end of the day, the will of the people will prevail. Whoever decides or best stop, will rather become a casualty. So don't you think that we have the guns, we have the EC, let the people of Ghana decide their own fate. Don't try to bend this will, because the experiences at Ghana for a form, they will not lie low for anybody to bend the legitimate will. Yahu be paying Togo. So the folk a man so you, how many people can you kill? So the reliance on this brutalities because who they see what a chiman. When innocent civilians were shot dead by military and police people till date, nobody has found a sense investigate Nipona Wukwa. President call her uncle be passing be a catch that techiman for no say me buafu because man to aba mame. That particular anger is still in the people. So nobody is going to the ballot to say obi na me so na me way dabi. This is the day Ghana folk decided their own destiny. So give them that particular power. Come I say Rollins a crowd better now 19 years and now shana no form. President Kufoti fear ne. Mahamadu Bawumia no so shana power is transient. So don't you dare say there's me na me wo to me intino me handi over na I will use no. Oh yes sir, or mine because the experiences, the economic experiences Ghanaians have gone through, they are not going to lie low, sit aloof and watch anybody take over this country in the name of men and more power. We are military near, use nyansa, use wadjing, don't allow anybody to use you because power a bet me at any point in time about Juma the reputation of Ajuma na you need to safeguard it. It's the reason why this critical state institution like the IGP in the police, the military in the CDS, they should know, sir, the allegiance is to the people of this country, to the constitution and to the flag, not to anybody who appointed you. It is to Ghana. We need to ensure, sir, we create a platform, very fertile platform, a Ghana Nibetimia polling station, akotonaba, making sure that the vote is counted. And at the end of the day, say Kwaku never win you, sir, banana never win you. That is up to Ghanaians to decide. But such machinations na me intimidating away, oh yeah, you'll be the first person to become a capsule because me say Ghana are really ready
for this year's elections.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
Yo, tipo, we and someone about it. Yep, so because this news so and our hello. So we are subscribe. Yeah, Bomudia say over subscribe to the channel. Sanse Hadia. Later than hot news and Aremeyaw Bremo. I feel we are not like video no nafe share my Ato Forson. We be here now and summer also. I will Ghana no more. Also between otchere what they fire and some way now. I will comment boxing. Obeti in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.